सर हम सोच रहे थे कि हम कर क्या रहे, रोज हमारी लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है सर हम ही जानते हैं। ना तो हमारा गेम इम्प्रूव हो रहा है सर, ना हमको कोई आगे अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रहा है। कब तक और कैसे चलेगा सर? कभी कभी तो मन करता है कि सब कुछ छोड़ छाड़ के वापस चले जाए, लेकिन फिर पापा का चेहरा सामने आ जाता है। सॉरी सर, आई एम स्टार्ट फीलिंग डिप्रेस्ड सर।
Hi friends, in our recent video you must have understood that the word depression is misinterpreted in our society and is considered as a feeling or state of mind, whereas it is totally a different thing. It's completely the game of hormones. The sudden shocking demise of our loving actor Shri Sushant Singh Rajput has left us all with utmost grievances. After a few minutes of his death, allegations stating that he was suffering from depression came into play.
Ankita, could you ever think, two things struck me. First is that the moment the news came out, within seconds, they said he had committed suicide. Then within about 10 to 15 minutes,
Yes, sir.
they said that he was a depressed man. He was deep into depression. He was depressive personality, going through a lot of psychological issues. And within half an hour of the news breaking out, they painted this picture of a man who suffered from depression, bipolarity, all kinds of words they used, and they put the blame on him. And then they started putting out articles about how one should deal with depression. This narrative is something that I found a little difficult to believe, and I want to ask you, you have been the closest to him after his blood relations. You were in a relationship with him for 7 years. Could you believe this whole depression theory that was being pushed?
Today, with context with our previous video, I want to explain you something. If you haven't watched our last video, go check out the link below in description. Recently, Zee Media Network and Republic Media Network in their sting investigation found out some facts collected from his fitness trainer that Sushant was given some kind of medications, reportedly by Riya Chakravarti, which was not at all required, and the medications were given to him without proper medical counseling. On the other hand, in an interview with Sushant's bodyguard, who was removed from job days before his death, some facts came out into place. He said that he barely met with Sushant since the day Riya came and lived with her. He was always informed sleeping. Whenever he would reach out to Sushant, he found him sleeping. Also, he was reportedly given some medications forcefully in the name of treatment. He also added that when he went to buy medicines for Sushant, the seller would always ask, are they prescribed, because they are of too highly specialized doses. Now coming back to our point connecting to depression, as I said, depression is a game of hormones, and improper and unguided medication can easily lead to hormonal imbalance and their malfunctioning in the body. Concluding the facts, as we now understand that depression is a medical complication and not a feeling, and is surely and definitely possible due to improper, unguided and overdosage of drugs. If you like our work, do support and share for justice, for an intelligent soul that we have lost. Thank you everyone.
From the sky, the troubles fade away when you fly. You were born to try, never say goodbye. Just say